Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial, and this tutorial will guide you through the error that you face in OneDrive. And it says something like this: sorry, there is a problem displaying this folder. So we have a complete solution for that. So let's get started. So first of all, what you can do is, if you have the OneDrive open right here, it will show you in the tray icon right here. So if you have it open right here, just close it, like quit or exit from here. And then just the most obvious thing, that just cancel that and just reload that, so it should solve the problem. You may also try to restart the computer after that and it should solve the problem. So if that doesn't solve the problem, just go to the run command here, right here in the start menu, run, and here just paste this command right here that I'll link in the description. So this is the command that I'll paste right here. So when you paste this, just keep in mind that make sure you have it in the program files 86, that means 32-bit version. Otherwise you have to just remove this one and just hit enter, and it's gonna reset the OneDrive. So we are just gonna wait until it does. And after that, you will notice that it's going to load in here, where you just have to mention your credentials, and now it should work. So thank you for watching this video. I hope it helps. And just mention in the comments if this works, and I'll see you in the next one.